How to find random lives on Instagram. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first we open the Instagram app, then we click on the home page and then we swipe left. Then there is an option of live. Click on the live. Once the live starts, make sure to click on the share option here and share it with any of your close friends or anyone you know. And once you are done with the sharing, I have already shared that, click on the cancel button and end the video and discard media. Once you discard it, you have to go in your chat section, click on the person you shared it with, click on watch live. The live has ended, but here we have it. We have all the lives available that are going on right now. You can click and start them right now. So if this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching.